Hey guys, welcome back to Great Delight's Kitchen. Today we're going to learn something very quick and easy. It's called pasta alla norma. This is actually a Sicilian recipe. A friend of mine, Floridana, actually told me to make it. You know, it comes from Catania, I believe, and it's a very super fast recipe. The only thing that you need, it's just a nice tomato sauce. What I used here, I had some cherry tomatoes, okay, and then I blended up very quick. And then you need just 2 cloves of garlic, some spaghetti or spaghettini, that's what I have with me. And of course, here you will have to have a thin slice eggplant, and then I cut it into 4 pieces. They've been here for like 30 minutes with a little bit of salt. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just show you the process of this quick and easy pasta dish. The recipe calls for ricotta, a ricotta cheese, which it's a harder ricotta cheese. That's not the typical regular ricotta that we get in the stores, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna substitute my ricotta with a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, I have a little bit of vegetable oil. This oil has to be extremely hot. Don't walk away from the pan fry because they're gonna cook very fast because they're very thin sliced. I'm gonna just try to put one in, and if it's okay, I'm just gonna put the rest. It's more like, you don't need a lot, you know, there you go. Just divide and let it stay for a bit. They have to become like eggplant chips, pretty much. Okay, so give it a little bit of time so that they can get cooked and fry in this oil. In the meantime, I actually put up on my stove a pot full of water, because I want to make sure that everything gets done all in the same time so that I can put some pasta in. Okay, fried very quickly. You can see that some of the chips, they're a little more darker. I pull it out just on time. I'm totally fine with the way that they look. Of course, as you notice, they're very crunchy, very like potato chips, but it's eggplant. Okay, so we're gonna put this on the side. We're gonna put it on a napkin so that all that extra fry oil will just get soaked in this piece of paper. And let's put it on the side, and then we're gonna put this basically on top of the pasta, because I can use the same pan. And pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the garlic. Okay, there you go. Smash it a little bit like this. I'm gonna let it cook. Obviously, I removed the veggie oil and I pretty much put the olive oil. All right. So we're gonna keep it like that for a bit. I'm gonna just put in my sauce. All right. Now let it cook in there. This recipe takes just pretty much 15-20 minutes. What I'm gonna get a cube of basil. I usually make once a month, sometimes when there is even a good deal. I usually buy once in a while basil, a big bunch, and then what happened is that I blend it and I put it in little ice cubes, and then every time I want something or a recipe needs a basil, I usually put this cube of basil in my recipes. So I'm gonna let it cook now for just, like I said, 15-20 minutes. I've been removing now my garlic clove, just because I don't want that in I don't want to have that big chunk. Okay, and this seems pretty much ready, this sauce. The right consistency, not too much, not too little, just enough to cover the spaghetti. And then I'm gonna dump the pasta in here, combine all this beautiful sauce, and then pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in a little bit of a cheese, and I'll put it in my plate, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of those eggplant chips on the top, and that's it. That's pretty much it, the recipe for today, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna just put I just drained my pasta. Do is I'm gonna put all this beautiful sauce all together. Okay, just want to make a nice, there. If I wish I had the ricotta, the salty ricotta, but unfortunately I don't have that. It's kind of vegetarian, whatever. You guys can use it for a recipe like that. That's absolutely pretty. I actually like it the way it looks. Now, of course, I'm gonna try it. That's the best thing that I like to do when I make my recipes, okay? A little bit of this crunchy eggplant. Let's try. This is actually good. It's my first time actually that I try it. Like my friend Floridana, by the way, hi Flo, she told me it was very easy, simple, and when she was telling me I was like, it sounds so easy, so simple, like, you know, she's like, oh no, but it's so good. But now I understand, it is good. It is actually very good. Actually easy, simple, and that's actually good, very good. I'm very happy that I tried this recipe. So I really hope you guys try this recipe too. I will definitely see you next time. Please guys, subscribe to the channel and you know, share this video with friends and family. Put thumbs up, hit that notification button so that you guys gonna know every time I make something new. In the meantime, stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.